Hey, good morning. It's Thursday, June the 5th, 2025. Hopefully everyone's having a great day. It's going to be 17 degrees here right now. It's going to be 27, 28. Today it's going to be hot. Grand Prairie's about 13 right now. It's only going to be 17. It's going to be not too bad there. Nice weather. I'm just smoking. Whoa! I gotta go. Here we go. Let's see what's happening on the lake.
A beautiful shot of the lake. A robin sitting on the lake below. Don't fall off the flagpole, Miss Robin.
No, I won't. Hey, if you like these videos, like, share, and subscribe. I don't mind being on my little friend there. She likes doing weather and that too. I don't mind doing it, but I got no time. I'm busy. Gotta cook up my feathers. Trying to keep cool.
Okay, thank you very much, Mrs. Robin, for your information. Didn't know that's what you did to keep cool. Anyways, like I said, it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. School zone speed limits are in effect from 7:30 till 5. A lot of pollen in the air still. Allergies are happening left, right, and center.
Hey, don't be talking to that Robin. She's trying to take over my show here. Yeah, if you like these videos, like, share, and subscribe. Try to get a daily gig on this weather channel. Weather from the deck and other places. So take note and have a great day. I gotta get back to eating seeds and making my nest, so get lost.
Oh, it's a rough day today. It's Throwback Thursday, but I just throw the fist out Thursday. Anyways, take care, stay safe. Happy Thursday. And as always, peace out, Mrs. Chickadee.